So this is a quick tutorial on how to use WeVideo to put together a day in the life style video. Okay, so you're going to open up WeVideo and you will get something that looks like this. You would click on New Video here. I've already opened one and titled it, so I'm going to open that. The first thing you should do then is click in this area and rename your video. Okay, so a quick look at the headings here. You've got the stock media, which is the stuff that they give you to use, and they give you a lot. You can really use a lot of stuff, but this is a personalized one, so you're really going to concern yourself with the My Media page here. Okay, My Media is where you're going to add your own pictures and your own videos. Text is just what it sounds like, some kind of words, good to use for titles. If you need to break it up a little bit and say, this is my bedroom, and this is my living room, and this is my dog, and you want to put names or quotes or anything like that, then this is where you would find that. Now, you've got different options here. Motion ones, they move. You see the preview over here. And if you like any of these, you just drag and drop them. Okay. And if you don't like what you've chosen, you just click on it and delete it. Okay, but back to the titles, you can do the ones that are in motion, you can do ones that stay still, you can do ones that kind of are pre-formatted, and you have these shapes too. So let's just pick a static one. Let's just pick a very simple one. All right, we're going to drag and drop. Okay, and in order to edit it, because you don't want it to say sample text, you're just going to double click on it and you get these editing options. Okay, change the text here. So a day in the life. You can change the font. You can change the size of the font. You can change the appearance in this way. You can change the color, the background. You can change this kind of function down here. And this is kind of cool. I like this here. You can do an animation. So you can have this start small and end big, or you could have it start big and end small. Let's do let's start it big and have it end small. All right, you hit save changes and then you could take a look. Looks cool, but it's 8 seconds long. That's really long, so let's cut it down. So you can just cut it like that, maybe make it just about 3 seconds. Let's take a look at that. It automatically changes the timing of your transition there. Title. Okay. So that's text. So your audio is obviously tracks that they give you. You've got a ton of different sound effects, which is really neat. And then you've got some premium music, which if you want to pay, go ahead. I don't know about importing your own music. A lot of that stuff is copyrighted, but if you want to try, you certainly can. Transitions are things you add in between video clips and or images, photos. So it just changes the appearance instead of just going from one to the other. Like maybe I'll, fade or have some kind of blur or whatever it is that you want. Okay, so again, if you want to add one of these, I'll show you how to do that in a little bit. And backgrounds just gives you, like, if you have a picture, for example, let me show you a picture that you would want to add a background to, like this one here. Right? You can add a background to this one. So let's say you're going to pick this orange glow. All right, add that picture. So take this one here, drag it down. Okay, and since it's a background picture, you're going to want to use track 2, video track 1 for that one. So let's have the orange glow come in. Okay, and again, we'll make the length of it just as long as our picture is. Okay, so now this is what our movie looks like so far. Okay, I'm going to tell you what that is. That's actually bear poop. Bear pooped in our backyard. So, you know, kind of an odd picture, but sure. Let's add an audio track. So that's background transitions. Let's go back to audio. Let's choose just a free music thing. Oh, clear inspiration sounds good. Okay. How about discovery? Whatever. We'll try upbeat summer. Okay. So if I like that one, then I'm just going to drag it down here and drop it in. Okay, so a couple different things you can do with the audio track. Okay, you can double click and you can get some editing functions on that. Oh, actually, you don't double click on that. You have this option here, your audio options. You can basically have a fade, so you can see that the lines at the end change, right? So instead of just coming in full force, it'll just kind of fade in. You know what a fade is. All right, you can take that off if you don't want it. Let's keep it on. And you can make the length of your clip whatever it needs to be. You can pull it like this, or you can move the playhead to a certain area and edit it like this. So let's get rid of that. Okay, let's listen to our 8-minute video clip. Okay, and again, I would say that photo clip is just on there for far too long. It's on there for like 4 seconds, so we could cut that down. Okay, so the basic process is the same here. You've got your media, and again, since you're personalizing this, you're bringing in pictures and videos that you've taken of your life. All right, video clips, basically they work the same as a film clip. All right, so let me find a video clip for you. Let's see. Here's a video clip. You don't know this person, but we'll just put him in here. Okay, and I can. Hey Jess, happy birthday. Okay, do the same thing I want if I want to make this clip shorter. Okay, if I wanted to cut it and then delete part of it, I could. All right, so that's the basic functions of WeVideo. Super, super easy to use. Anything you don't like, just delete. When you're done with your project, you want to hit finish and then save it to your drive. You can do standard definition or high definition. You can do both. Sometimes HD they charge you for, but not here. If you want other people to see it, you have to remember to mark it as public. And then hit export. And then look in your drive and there's your movie. All right, I hope this was helpful. Good luck. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with.